I am Daisy and welcome to my vlog. Like that. We're going camping. It's snowing outside. Is it snowing or hailing?
Well, it's kind of rainy snow.
Yeah, so it's rainy, snowing, raining and snowing. It's a mixture. It's gonna be so cold. I'm already wearing this thick rain jacket, and then we got a bunch of stuff in there, just all crunched up. Look at my Chewy right there. Hey Chewy, what is she doing? Oh, she's sleeping. We are going to Goldstream Campground. It's like 5 minutes away. No, not 5 minutes. Maybe 10 minutes away from our place. We just want to get out there, inhale some fresh air, because we've been stuck in the house for like
a year.
A year.
Just like everybody else.
Yeah, just like everybody else. I'm not complaining or anything, because that's what we do.
I'm complaining.
Yeah. So we're just gonna get out there. It's gonna be cold because it's technically still winter right now.
Yeah, for a couple more weeks.
So, but we've bundled up. I'm wearing like 3 layers right now. It's hot here in the car, but as soon as you step outside, it's like comfortable, right?
Outside is comfortable?
Yeah, when I'm wearing my 3 layers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Right? But at nighttime, I think it's gonna be colder. So let's see. I look so like bright in this video right here. Can't see my acne and stuff. But it's just like white, like no colors in my face at all or something like that.
Yeah, I'll add that close.
Alright. See you there! Hello. So I'm gonna show you how Daisy camps. Counts. Look at my bitches right here.
Why you bullying me?
Hi Chew. Hey Chew. Hi. That's not Chew. This is Chew. Hi Chew. Hi Chewy. Her name's Chewy. She has her own Instagram account. Oh, that's something. That's Chewy, what did you eat? No. She's chewing it. Get it. She has her own Instagram account. No, Chewy, no. She's eating dirt. Ew. Whatever.
Pull your Insta.
So she has her own Instagram account. Oh, that's fun though. Follow for the Chewy at Instagram. That's right, right?
Nope.
Follow on Instagram for the Chewy. Link below. Oh, there's a poop in there. When did I? When was that?
Last night.
Oh, I guess I have to pick up some poop. So this is this is my life, you guys. So on my 30th birthday, I woke up and I decided that I'm gonna get a dog, and I did. So here's my Pomeranian right here. She's a cutie pie, but she's very naughty. And Phil takes care of her. Hi Phil. But the deal is I have to pick up the poop. So here I am, picking up a poop. This is the poop of my tiny little Chewy. Wash your hands. One day I brought my mom to a campsite, and then she has to like drop the poop in the garbage can, and she's like, oh man, there's a garbage can right there. And she's like, this one? Like, yeah, okay. And she's like, it's locked. Like, no, it's not locked. Just put your finger in there and it will open. I was like, and she got mad at me. It's locked. It's like, no, ma. So tip, if it's your first time camping here, you gotta push your hand in there and lift. Just like a click button there. That's how you do it. That's my tip. Tip number 1 for camping in where? In Canada. Is it all the same garbage can here in Canada? Okay. Yeah. And everywhere you see, same trees. It's not like I'm discouraging you to go camping, but it's basically the same trees, except if you're gonna go camping like when you're backpacking, right, dude? Because different views, maybe you're gonna find water somewhere, different spot. But if it's like a provincial park campground, kind of like this. Roll VDR. Wait a second, guys. I gotta get this there you go. Got her. Check for Klingons. Okay. When I camp, I don't like to do like I mentioned earlier, I don't like to do the professional camping style, or whatever they call it, the backpacker style. I grew up like, you know, in provincial life, but I can't handle going to an outhouse. Like, I'd rather go poop and pee on the woods there. You know what I mean? But it's not allowed. I'm gonna get caught. So this is how I camp. My car's right here, and then I always bring my canopy, which you can collapse it. And then here's our tent right here. Inside, later we'll show you what's inside our tent, but it's just basically a sleeping bag and a mattress. Last night we didn't have a mattress with us, so it was okay, but it was cold because it was just the ground and sleeping bag, so it's a little bit cold, but it was okay. Phil was complaining a lot, but you know, I'm Girl Scout. Come on, Chewy. Oh my god, what did you do with your jacket? Where did you go? I just bought this. Chewy! It's 30 now. Chewy! Where did you go? Ah! Your jacket's dirty! Anyways, so come on, Chewy. She has a minor of it, her own. Okay, so we have, I brought like every cutleries that you can find, or utensils you can find in the kitchen. So, pot, cutting board, thong, not thong. You don't find that in the kitchen. And then we're gonna cook some chicken stew tonight and some maybe pork belly if it's not gonna rain, because we're just gonna do it in the fire pit right there, right? And then that's it.
The next day.
Oh, hi guys. Good morning. This is where we slept last night. I forgot to show you what we're sleeping on, but it was way better than the first night. Got my Chewy put on her jacket because she's cold. Hi, Chew. So we just slept in an air bed and on sleeping pad and then 2 blankets, and it was pretty warm, right? Hot, actually.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Yeah.
It was enjoyable.
And I got upset in the middle of the night because Phil took all the blankets. And then we were just watching TV here last night. Well, watching movies. It's pretty cool. Now we're gonna get out because I have an appointment at noon for my COVID vaccine. My nose is dripping. So let's get out and we'll catch you guys later.